So I've had to go a long way fast today. We're showing 413 kilometers for the trip, and there's still a little way to go. The battery's got quite warm because I've been driving it up to the national speed limit, and I've put, I think, 3, maybe 4 short CHAdeMO in, but it's looking very good. Leaf spy information and ABRP to follow straight away. Is the ABRP data. It's showing 3 minutes and 3 kilometers left. It's also showing that I'm going to have 16% of the battery left when I arrive, which is more than the gasometer on the dash is showing. So it's another good reason to be using ABRP linked with Leaf Spy. And the Leaf Spy data for this journey should be just coming up in a second. If you can, the Leaf Spy data that we were looking for, we're showing 5.2 kilowatt hours left. It's actually slightly more than that because as it gets to the very bottom on these biggest batteries, they don't use as much as you'd usually see, but you can see the temperature's way up. But even with such a low state of charge, 18%, the millivolt power is very good. And I'm actually just showing a driving stress test here. Difficult to see because I haven't got the engine noise to let you know that I'm speeding up, but you can see that the millivolts figure is changing as I load the car up and load the battery up and then unload it again. They all go back again, all nice and level, all nice and steady. This is a really good battery.